Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing, starting off with some cloudy conditions this morning, and we do have some showers and thunderstorms approaching the area. We are currently in a lightning advisory and good chance of seeing that lightning warning as we move within the next hour with those showers and storms pushing through the area. Overall, for the remainder of the day, we'll keep those chances of showers and storms through much of the day today and over the next week, expecting that summer-like pattern with warm and humid weather with daily chances of showers and storms through the area. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we have this boundary that's lingering around the region this morning with a weak area of low pressure that's going to be tracking along that boundary and through the local area as we move through the next 24 hours. And that's going to support some of that shower activity as we move through the day today. If we take a look at our current radar picture here, we can see those showers and storms just within the 25 nautical mile range and expecting those showers and storms to be pushing through the area here shortly. And again, seeing that lightning warning likely coming here shortly as well. If we put these into motion, these will be moving off to the northeast. Behind it, things are a bit more broken up, but we do keep that chance of showers and storms as we move through the day today. Looking at the current lightning situation, we can see these showers and storms are producing lightning, and again, that advisory in effect at this time. And if we look at our local satellite, we can see clouds sticking around as we move through the day today as that weak area low pressure tracks through the area. If we look at the current conditions this morning, we're looking at just a few clouds around 300 feet, scattered deck at 10,000 feet, overcast at 22,000 feet, and those clouds will be building in with those ceilings dropping as those showers push through the area. Are seeing slightly reduced visibilities, winds light out of the southeast at 5 knots, temperature at 75 degrees, and the relative humidity is at 97%. Take a look at our high-resolution model for today. Going to be a bit of a tricky forecast depending on what impact the showers and storms moving through the area at this time will have on the afternoon forecast. But nonetheless, again, we'll see those pushing through this morning. As we get into the afternoon, we can continue to see some showers popping up and lingering through the area, potentially becoming more isolated during the afternoon hours with some breaks in the shower activity, but nonetheless keeping that good chance of a shower or storm through much of the afternoon and into the first part of the evening, with just some lingering chances as we get into the overnight time frame. Those chances diminishing as we get to the 2 to 4 a.m. time frame tomorrow morning. And as we start the day on Tuesday, we should see mostly cloudy conditions and starting on the dry side. And it looks like most of the day will be on the dry side until we get into the later afternoon and into the evening time frame. So we're going to start to see another round of showers and storms potentially popping up, especially as we get into the overnight time frame and early morning on Wednesday with some showers and storms pushing through the area. And then we could see that tapering down as we get into the start of the day on Wednesday. But once again, as we get into Wednesday afternoon, continuing with that summer-like pattern of some showers and storms popping up in the afternoon. So if we look at our 24-hour weather risk chart for today, we're looking at red risk for precip and lightning for the early morning hours this morning, and continue with the orange risk as we move through the afternoon and first part of the evening. Again, those showers and storms are pushing through the area, and then we keep about a 50% chance of a shower or storm pushing through the remainder of the day as we get into the afternoon time frame. Overall, expecting mostly cloudy to overcast conditions to continue through the day. And as we go into the overnight time frame, we'll start to see lingering chances of a shower or storm, but otherwise we'll see some low clouds and fog likely in the area with some potentially reduced visibility. So we do keep a yellow chance for precip and lightning during that time frame, at least for the first part of the evening. But we do also have that yellow risk for reduced ceilings visibilities as we move through the AM time frame on Tuesday. Expecting our high temperature not to get as hot today, as we do have that shower activity as well as some cloud activity around. High only expected around 80 degrees for this afternoon, so that's actually well below average for this time of year. And as we go into the morning hours of Tuesday, we'll see our low temperature right around 72 degrees, so right about average for this time of year. As we start our day on Tuesday, We'll see those winds staying pretty steady out of the south-southeast to southeast through the day today, becoming a bit more southerly as we get to the evening time frame, right around 7 to 12 knots through much of the day today, and then staying around 6 to 11 knots as we go through the overnight time frame, with those winds becoming more southwesterly. Tides right now are running normal. In the next couple days, again, continuing with that summer-like pattern, we'll see mostly cloudy conditions for our Tuesday, and then we'll have that chance of afternoon and more so during the evening time frame of showers and thunderstorms, slightly breezy through the day. But right now, just looking at a yellow risk for precip and lightning during that time frame, with a warmer, more humid day with a high around 87 degrees. We increase to that orange chance for precip and lightning as we go into Tuesday evening. That's when the bulk of that activity starts to move through the area. So good chance of showers and thunderstorms with cloudy conditions, a low around 74 degrees. We do have a yellow risk for those reduced ceilings and visibilities as well. As we go into Wednesday, we'll see mostly cloudy conditions once again, and a chance for some afternoon showers or thunderstorms once again. So slightly breezy conditions for Wednesday as well, with a high once again around 87 degrees. So keeping that yellow risk for precip and lightning for our Wednesday time frame. That's going to wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.